Don't fry the chicken. Cook it in boiling orange juice and be amazed by the result. To start this recipe, let's place 800 grams of chicken legs into a pan with 1.5 cups of orange juice. I'm going to show you the secret restaurants keep hidden. Cover it and let it cook for 5 minutes. I'm sure it'll become part of your routine, just like it did in mine. Now I'll add 3 minced garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of paprika. Your family's going to love it. 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and mix everything really well. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching from so I can send you a special shout out. Today's goes to Emily Johnson from Chicago. I'm so happy you're enjoying our recipes. Let's let it cook for another 5 minutes. It's super easy, quick, and practical. I'll now add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. With just a few simple ingredients anyone has at home, we can make a dish way better than what's served in many restaurants. I learned this trick from a 5-star chef. Next, we'll add 1 cup of water. It's essential to help cook the meat. I'm sure you'll come back to thank me for this. Whenever I make it at home, there's never anything left. Cover again and let it cook for 5 more minutes. This has become one of my favorite dinner options. I'm sure even your friends will ask where you learned to make this delicious meal. I haven't been able to eat chicken any other way since. Now, I'll add 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of mustard, and 1 tablespoon of honey. If you are looking for a quick and easy recipe, this is definitely the answer. And the best part is, I've started saving a lot of money since I learned to make chicken like this. If you don't believe me, try it at home and come back to tell me what you think. I'd love to share this with you. Look how beautiful it turns out, and you can't even imagine how tasty it is. I'm sure you've never tried anything like this before. To give it a special touch, I'll sprinkle some parsley on top. The amount is up to you, but this part is totally optional.